Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. Wanted to talk to you real quick about one of the most important things you have to remember when it comes to mowing your lawn. It has nothing to do with technique. It's all about your blades and making sure that they are sharp. You've got to have sharp blades when you're mowing your lawn. It's so important. Not only for the fact that it makes it look nice, it cuts more even. You don't have little stragglers popping up here and there whenever you have sharp blades, but it also it helps improve the health of your lawn. Every time you mow your lawn, you're actually damaging the blade of grass. And if it has a nice clean cut, it can recover a lot quicker. If you don't have sharp blades, you'll end up just shredding the top layer of your lawn, and it'll take longer for it to recover, for it to heal. It puts a lot of stress on the grass. You'll actually, if you have dull blades, you'll actually start to see discoloration in your turf, and you actually you'll even be more susceptible to disease and insect damage if you don't use sharp blades whenever you mow your grass. So it's super important to sharpen your blades. We sharpen ours every single day. Every single day, all of our mowers get a new set of blades that are freshly sharp. For a homeowner, maybe once a month, maybe once every 2 months or so, depending on how big your lawn is. It's not very often, but don't forget that. It's super important to get your blade sharp. Your lawn's going to look a whole lot nicer if you do. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, let us know. We'll be glad to help you out. Thanks.